Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just kind of winging it. These are the tips that I use, and like I've said in my previous videos, I do kind of a lazy girl method. I clean up my nails, which are damaged from numerous things, doing my nails over the years, banging them a lot, working on cars, and just being reckless. But anyway, I clean them up, I put some cuticle oil, and then I put a base coat. And then, I use my KDS and glue my tips on. And then I will put some more base coat over top of that and cure it for 60 seconds. And then I will move on to whatever design. But here's me just doing that. Sometimes it takes a minute to stick, sometimes it sticks pretty good. And for the most part, I can, pop them off right after the video or a day or two later, just, whenever I desire. But here I am going in with some nail foil, and I will put a nice, layer of that where I want the foil to stick, and then I'll cure it for 40 to 60 seconds. And then just rub my heart out. And then I will, pull downwards instead of upwards. That seems to work pretty good for me. I've had these fools for a few years now. Decided I wanted to try to do something with them today. Well, now yesterday. This video was supposed to go up yesterday, but it didn't happen. Here I am just putting down a nude color. This is Kiarasky's monomer and all-in-one powder. And I'll let you guys just continue to watch that. Here I'm just going in with some Mia Secret to go ahead and encapsulate so I don't file it away. Here I'm going in with my comb bit around my cuticles and kind of smooth things out. And then later on I will go in with my hand file and buffer to smooth everything out and kind of bring back my shape. I've been working on my shape of my cuticles a lot more. But yeah. This is where I'm at with the filing. I'm now going to go in with a glitter polish from Kiarasky. Um, it's called Glitter God, and I think it is to die for. It's from their Color Base collection. I love this collection. I think it is just beautiful, and I'm just kind of randomly doing stuff here. Um, yeah, I really enjoyed this color. I think it is just gorgeous. And I am one person that for many years, up until probably 4 years ago, I wore a light pink on my toes in the summer and a dark pink in the winter. And I did a basic, white tip acrylic at nail shops, and that was it. That was me. Um, but I have definitely found my love of nails, and finding little things like this while you're into an art definitely inspire. Sorry about the shaking in the camera. I bumped it with my arm, but definitely inspires you when you run across something like this. Yeah, I'm just looking at the colors, cleaning things up, and here I'm going to go ahead and add two stones. I thought they were pretty. Um, I thought they kind of set the set off, and then I will go in with a new top coat that I'm using, gel top coat. I bought this for probably $25 at my local supply. I was going to use my Beetles, but I decided not to. I decided to go in with this other one. Yeah, I'm just top coating and everything's done. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you stuck it out to the end, please feel free to comment, like, and share the video. Thank you so much for sticking around.